The echo of absence is more profound than the loudest declarations of presence. This paradox, deeply rooted in the wisdom of Stoicism, challenges us to rethink how we make an impact on those around us. Stoic philosophy, with its profound understanding of human nature, teaches us that sometimes it's the space we leave behind that speaks louder than our constant presence. Today, we are going to uncover how adopting a few Stoic strategies can profoundly influence how deeply someone misses you when you're not there. We will explore the subtle art of creating a presence so meaningful that your absence becomes a notable silence, craving to be filled. This journey is not about manipulation or mere tricks. It's about cultivating a life and persona that inherently makes people feel your absence, turning the ordinary into an unforgettable saga. As Marcus Aurelius once penned, "What we do now echoes in eternity." Let's learn how to leave such echoes that resonate not just through time, but within the very being of those we touch. Join me as we decode the secrets to being missed, drawing from the timeless teachings of Stoicism to enrich our modern relationships. If you appreciate what we're doing here and the insights we're sharing, a simple free favor I'll ask from you is to hit the subscribe button. Also, make sure you don't skip any part of the video to fully grasp how these Stoic principles can deeply enhance your relationships. Let's get started. In the rich tapestry of human connections, the allure of independence stands out as a vibrant thread. Stoicism teaches us the virtue of self-sufficiency, not as a means of isolation, but as a path to true freedom and personal strength. When we cultivate a life that's both vibrant and fulfilling, we're not just building a sanctuary for ourselves, we're also enhancing our appeal to others. This isn't about being aloof or emotionally distant, but about nurturing a robust personal world that others are naturally drawn to. Engaging in hobbies, for example, does more than fill our hours with joy. It rounds out our character, showing that we are not merely one-dimensional beings, but individuals with diverse interests and passions. This diversity makes us more intriguing and attractive partners. Whether it's painting, rock climbing, or writing, each hobby sculpts our identity and independence, contributing to a fuller sense of self. Similarly, nurturing friendships and maintaining social networks indicate that we are connected and grounded, qualities that are highly valued in any relationship. Stoic wisdom suggests that the key to personal happiness lies not in external validation, but in our inner richness. By investing in friendships, we show that our happiness does not hinge solely on our partner, which can alleviate the pressure that smothers many relationships. Pursuing personal goals is perhaps the most direct expression of independence. When you chase after your own ambitions, be they career-oriented, academic, or personal growth endeavors, you demonstrate drive and purpose. This pursuit not only fuels your own self-esteem and happiness, but also makes you a more dynamic and attractive partner. There's a compelling aura around someone who isn't waiting around for life to happen to them, but is actively crafting their own narrative. The Stoic philosophy encourages us to be complete within ourselves. When your partner sees you as a complete and compelling individual, they're not just attracted to you for superficial reasons. They admire your capacity to lead a fulfilling life. Your independence doesn't push them away. Instead, it draws them closer in a profound and respectful admiration. Stoicism doesn't merely preach endurance and resilience, it also encourages us to embrace the full spectrum of human experiences with openness and enthusiasm. When we engage in activities that spark joy and excitement, we're not just having fun, we're knitting the fabric of meaningful relationships. Consider the simple yet profound act of sharing a spontaneous road trip or cooking an exotic meal together. These aren't just leisure activities, they're opportunities to step into a shared experience that is both enriching and transformative. Each moment spent discovering a new landscape or flavor is a moment where barriers break down and genuine connection blossoms. It's in these moments that our presence becomes interwoven with feelings of happiness and comfort in the minds of those we share them with. This is because such experiences trigger a dopamine rush, the brain's way of bookmarking moments of pleasure and significance. Engaging in new hobbies together is another splendid way to cultivate memorable moments. When you learn something new with someone, you share the frustrations and triumphs of the learning process. This shared journey can bond people in unique ways that routine interactions often fail to achieve. The excitement of a new skill or hobby brings a freshness to the relationship, reminding both parties of the joy of continual growth and discovery. The Stoic appreciation for these moments is deeply rooted in their understanding of the present moment as the locus of life's value. Marcus Aurelius reminded us to perform every action as if it were the last of our lives, urging a quality of attentiveness and dedication that can transform even the simplest activities into profound interactions. Therefore, when we create memorable moments, we're not merely passing time together, we're crafting experiences that can stand as benchmarks of joy and connection in our relational landscapes. Creating memorable moments is about much more than entertainment. It's a vital part of building a relationship that feels meaningful and vibrant. It's about making the most of the now to ensure that the memories we create are not just fleeting, but leave a lasting imprint on our hearts and the hearts of those we cherish. The Stoics believed that virtue lies in balance and rationality, and this wisdom can be directly applied to how we communicate with those we care about. It's about finding that sweet spot where each exchange is meaningful yet not smothering, allowing each person the space to grow and the comfort of connection. In the realm of personal relationships, effective communication isn't about the quantity of messages or the length of calls. It's about their quality and the thought behind them. When we communicate, we should aim to share enough to keep the other person engaged and interested in us. This could mean sharing details about your day, discussing a book you are reading, or planning future adventures together. However, it is crucial to ensure that this sharing does not become overwhelming or burdensome. The idea is to create a rhythm in your interactions that feels natural and enjoyable. For instance, sending a message that brings a smile, sharing a quote that you found inspiring, or asking about their day in a way that shows genuine interest. These are simple yet effective ways to keep the connection alive and vibrant. However, the Stoic perspective would remind us of the importance of giving the other person space to miss us. This concept is not about playing games or withholding for effect, but about respecting and valuing the other's need for personal space. In doing so, you allow for the development of mutual respect and a deeper longing when apart. The times of silence and absence are as crucial as the times of interaction because they give each person the opportunity to reflect and appreciate the relationship. This balanced approach encourages a dynamic where both individuals feel valued and understood, but not overwhelmed by constant communication. It nurtures a mature, respectful, and thoughtful interaction style that can strengthen the bonds of any relationship. By striving for this balance, you not only enhance the individual experiences, but also contribute to a healthy, lasting partnership that is both fulfilling and respectful. In our digital age, the strategic use of social media can be a powerful tool in maintaining connections, invoking curiosity, and enriching personal relationships. Drawing from the Stoic practice of thoughtful self-presentation, we can harness social media not just as a broadcast of our daily lives, but as a curated expression of our journey through life. Stoicism teaches us the value of discretion and meaningful communication, principles that are particularly relevant in the context of online interactions. When posting on social media, consider adopting a strategy that involves sharing your adventures and achievements with a sense of purpose and restraint. This approach is about more than just managing your online persona. It's about creating an aura of mystery and anticipation. For example, sharing a photo from a recent hiking trip with a caption that hints at a personal revelation or a new insight gained adds depth to your post and invites your audience to ponder and engage more deeply rather than just scrolling past. This selective sharing serves multiple Stoic purposes. It encourages others to reflect on the quality and impact of their own experiences. It keeps you from overexposing details of your personal life, and it strategically builds curiosity and engagement. By not revealing too much, you leave room for others to wonder and become eager to learn more about your life. This kind of interaction can make your social media presence a conduit for meaningful exchanges rather than just superficial updates. Moreover, the Stoic concept of controlling one's impressions, knowing that we can guide but not control what others think of us, encourages us to use social media to influence positively and constructively. It's about crafting posts that reflect genuine aspects of your life that you wish to share publicly while maintaining a boundary that respects your private inner world. This balance not only fosters interest and respect from others, but also aligns with the Stoic virtue of self-control and integrity in all expressions of life. By using social media strategically, you contribute to a narrative about yourself that is both engaging and reflective, encouraging others to stay connected with you in anticipation of your next post. This thoughtful approach ensures that your social media use enhances your relationships, reflecting a life lived with intention and philosophical depth. The Stoic wisdom of cherishing absence as much as presence brings a nuanced perspective to relationships. The saying, "absence makes the heart grow fonder," is a testament to the idea that sometimes the most profound connections are felt in the silence between interactions. This concept isn't about creating distance for the sake of manipulation. Rather, it's about understanding that meaningful gaps between interactions can actually enhance appreciation and deepen bonds. By consciously deciding to step back occasionally, we allow our partners the space to reflect on and miss our presence. This isn't about withholding affection or engagement as a strategy, but about fostering a healthy dynamic where both partners can cherish their individuality and personal growth. During these periods of absence, engaging in personal interests and self-improvement isn't just beneficial for your own development. It also enriches the relationship by bringing new energies and insights into the shared space when you reunite. The Stoic practice of self-reflection during these times aligns with their teachings on self-sufficiency and the development of personal virtue. Engaging in activities that nourish your soul and advance your personal goals not only keeps you grounded and content, but also makes you a more interesting and dynamic partner. Whether it's picking up a new skill, diving into a book, or simply spending some time in nature, these activities contribute to a well-rounded character that is compelling and attractive. This art of balancing presence and absence can be seen as a dance, knowing when to step in close and when to step back. This dance, if performed with mindfulness and respect, can strengthen the bonds of affection and make the moments you spend together even more precious. The Stoic value of autonomy and personal growth enhances relationships by ensuring that each individual remains whole and vibrant on their own, which in turn enriches their shared experiences. By embracing the art of absence wisely and compassionately, you embody a key Stoic principle. That true connection is fostered not just through continuous presence, but through the quality and depth of the presence when it occurs. This approach allows both partners to grow individually, which is essential for a healthy, thriving relationship. Stoicism teaches us to find happiness in anticipation without becoming overly attached to the outcome, a balance that is crucial when planning surprises or special moments with someone you care about. Surprises, whether they be a thoughtfully planned dinner or a simple, unexpected gift, are not just about the shock value or the immediate joy they bring. They're about creating moments that stand out as bright points in someone's memory, moments that build a sense of excitement and wonder about what might come next. This approach ties into the Stoic belief in the value of living a life full of purpose and mindfulness. Each surprise or planned experience is a deliberate act of creating happiness and strengthening bonds. The art of building anticipation is akin to planting seeds of joy that will sprout in future interactions. For example, leaving a note hinting at a surprise planned for the next meeting can keep the person engaged and reflective about your relationship, enhancing their appreciation and eagerness to see you again. These gestures enrich the narrative of your relationship, making each encounter something to look forward to. Moreover, Stoicism emphasizes the importance of not allowing our emotions to be dictated by external events, but instead finding joy in the anticipation itself. In the context of relationships, this means enjoying the process of planning and imagining the happiness these surprises will bring, regardless of their reaction. This Stoic mindset encourages a healthy detachment that enriches your own emotional experience and deepens your connections, making every moment together and every moment apart meaningful. By strategically building anticipation through surprises and thoughtful gestures, you not only enhance the longing and affection in your relationships, but also practice a key Stoic principle: finding joy in both the journey and the destination, all while maintaining emotional equilibrium. This balance ensures that the relationship remains vibrant, dynamic, and deeply fulfilling for both partners. As we wrap up today's journey into the profound world of Stoicism and its impact on our relationships, remember, every interaction you choose can echo into eternity. Cherish the moments, craft the memories, and always leave them longing just a bit for your next encounter. Thank you for joining us at Stoic Journal. If you found today's insights enriching, consider watching one of our suggested videos on your screen to continue exploring the depths of Stoic wisdom. Your presence and engagement in our community are immensely appreciated. Until next time, keep nurturing your connections with mindfulness and anticipation.